Okay, so when you say a pond, I've been to your house, and I know this isn't like something you can water ski on.
No. Or fish in.
You started with just like a baby wading pool,
I did.
right?
I did. And we put just a little pump in it that would pump the water up through a hose, and I made a waterfall out of patio blocks. So
And
that
just like, we're not talking
right.
waterfall,
Oh
just
no, just
little
the
thing.
the water is falling.
Yes.
That's
Some
basically it.
distance. Yeah.
And I put minnows in there and snails.
You had a turtle at some point, didn't you? That liked to be around that pond?
No, frogs and toads come to
Must
it
have been
on
the
their
frogs.
own, and the dragonflies and other insects will lay their eggs in there. Ones that use water for that, and I don't bring those to the pond. They come on their own.
Oh, cool. Now, have you upgraded it over the
I have
years?
upgraded to just one of those molded plastic ones you can buy at a home improvement store.
Oh, okay.
And so it's deeper than the wading pool, but I started with a wading pool. So this does not have to be an elaborate thing you put in your yard. I like my pond feature, so we went the next step when the wading pool started to deteriorate.
And I can't remember, the wading pool, you dug a little hole for it, right? It was
I
just sitting on top
yeah,
of the ground. So we
Yes.
didn't have to worry about freezing up there or anything
Right.
like that.
Exactly. So very simple to put in.
But it gave you so many opportunities to observe long term.
Yes. And I made sure that with the patio blocks, that I made areas that were shallow enough that the birds could bathe in it too if they wanted to. So it gave them places that they could be also. So it wasn't just deep.
Yes. Yeah. Great.
Yep.